categorically that we don't want anyone or benches are capable of the expansion, particularly bearing in mind, and this is something that a number of the clients that already we are representing, there have been repeated insinuations by our people out there, including senior counsel Ben Nasir Abdullahi, that the senior bench is supposed, three-judge bench is supposed to do this or the other. We can't help that. This is not coming from the petition. I'll appreciate what time allowed. Most obliged.
My Lord, in this,
most of the people actually here, we have served them, but we shall serve the notice of hearing. The notice of hearing for the mention tomorrow at 9. I thought, my Lord, the time would have been here. Because by the time I go to my office, there will be nobody about this. Or probably 11.
my Lord,
My Lord, what time then do we come tomorrow?
The court starts at 9.
Yes. 11. What's the place?
my Lord, I am asking this particular file that you record my presence together with the other lawyers I mentioned earlier as appearing for the deputy president with the second response. Yes. Yes. Patiently wait. Yes. If you look at the parties, the deputy president is the second respondent.
So you agree with the directions?
I accept directions. And I will be here tomorrow, I think. Inshallah.
Please, Your Lordship, in this particular matter, yes, my name is Manzo. I wish to go on record for the first interested party.
Your Lordship, my lady, may I be put on record for the second and the fourth interested party? And permit me to only indicate the implication of the orders of the empanelment that were issued by the judge who directed the Chief Justice does empanel you. The best of my thinking and knowledge is that the prayer was granted as it is for the empanelment of five judge bench.
Mr. Jerry.
Zero.
Yes.
They want you.
You speak for the record. You had me mention parties. I said that this file has been empaneled to comprise Honorable Mr. Justice Eric Ogola, Honorable Mr. Justice Uma, Honorable Dr. Nad Freda, and the only three.
That's correct, but we'll address you tomorrow on that issue.
My lord, my lady. We mentioned it tomorrow. You say you come to
Your Lordship, I appear for the second and the fourth interested party.
If I may make a request, so there is a file that is live before. That is petition number 565 of 20. We have requested, my lord, that you give there are 3 cohorts of files that are before you. If I may just be given a moment. As the court has correctly identified, there is a cohort of files that are consolidated in petition 5. There is a cohort of files that is consolidated around petition 565, which have the 2 applications that the court has identified. And then there are these others that have been referred to the court by virtue of the email that we have all seen. It is my request that the court keeps them in those cohorts so that the applications are able to be dealt with because they are urgent. These are important, but the applications are identified. And the court has identified that identity because this will go on for 2 or 3 hours without any directions having been given in 5 minutes.
Lord, could we be on board together? We are being made orphans. The state is in the bedroom. Let us also be in the bedroom so that we can respond.
But what do you want with the bedroom?
We will discuss the instruction of our plan. Can we allow the parties to come on record?
The reason why we are mentioning this is to find out if any of them would be right for consultation.
Thank you.
Lord, perhaps as you consider that, let me put it on record that if you are considering whether they are right for consolidation, the consolidation should not then slow down the hearing of the application that you have already identified as that. If they are to come on board, they come on board and proceed from where we are.
No.
Let us be on board first. We'll respond to him appropriately. Allow us, even let's get former president, to be on record.
My lady and my lords, I just have a passionate plea to make. Not many pleas. The first plea is we consider utilizing ceremonial court the ground floor because it is spacious. Number 2, my request is this. The court has all the petitions. Why can't the assistants to the court enumerate the parties there, the forum, in the manner we used to do it? But when we appear here, whatever time we need, we just feel our respective court will be able to do it without the need of this stuff. Number 3, my lords and my lady, I think the court needs to just be a little bit proactive. When you retreat, you may make 2 decisions. One, either to determine the interlocutory applications, in which case you can frame issues for the parties. Or 2, if you're minded to hear the petitions themselves, then still frame the issues, forward it to us so that we're able to make progress. That way we'll make good use. It is very limited. I beseech you.
Thank you, Mr. Harvey. Well taken.
As a former chairman of the House of Science, let me second the first issue and plead that if only for the purposes of everybody getting sufficient oxygen, we are too crowded and the people want to listen and the media and the members of the public, if it is possible, let us use the ceremonial hall.
Council, Senior Council, we will use the ceremonial hall as well.
Thank you.
And if files are going to be consolidated, then it will be proper each person served so that we are able to respond, even if we are given a day to respond, so that when we begin to submit, we are able to submit according to law, not as per the law and whatever issues are.
My Lord, I was going to beseech the court, if we are to make progress, I would beseech the court to invoke its powers under Section 155, Article 159, we could go on and on. There is no shortage of legal provisions enabling this court to rein in on the lawyers. Because if you don't do that, my lord, on a matter like this, where you have 20 lawyers, 50 lawyers on the other side, we will be coming to you. We'll be doing legal gymnastics, legal ping pong, what I call legal sophistry on other occasions. And meanwhile, we'll be lamenting as we are now lamenting to you. So their application, both from this side and this side, certified agent. Meanwhile, we are spending a lot of time, each of us from whatever side, starting to raise this or other housekeeping issue. I beseech you, my lord, in a matter like this, the court must be very firm. It must run the counsel. The court itself must have very clear direction. Which is the application that will be had, in what sequence, what are the time allocations, how the parties share those times is no business.
We have agreed on that, and what we ask is let us mention this so that we know how they relate. So we have mentioned it. We have mentioned it.